They're really good for, they're really good to help you with chest pain. It helps with back pain. It helps with back pain.
Do you feel worse?
Yeah. Chest pain, stomach pain.
Abdominal pain.
Chest pain. It helps if you got any stomach pain.
What about like constipation?
It helps with chest pain. They can help you learn to balance. Sometimes they help with chest pain.
Get the view from underneath so we can get a good demonstration of what's going on.
Yeah,
here.
so these really help with chest pain. So that's what you can use these for. It's really great. They're really good, and they can help you with your chest pain. And I think they're really good. They help me a lot of the time when I have stomach pain. They're really good for, they're really good to help you with chest pain. And they can help you with, they're really good at helping.
So are you asleep yet?
Yes. What are you doing? What was that noise?
What?
I heard a noise.
You look like you're about to cry. Alright, I need you to show me how to use them on the pillow. For their pillow stands too.
So I can use them as pillow stands.
Are you bleeding?
No.
So you can use all three of them
yeah.
as a pillow stand.
Yeah.
So what does this help you do?
It helps with snoring.
Talk a little louder.
You
I can't
want
hear
your
you.
head to be completely stuck in the pillow to where you can't really inhale much, because then you can't snore. So it takes a lot of time to breathe in like this. It slows your inhale by a lot.
I mean, that doesn't seem like a bad idea.
If you were to snore, it would hence be muffled by the pillow. So I can show you what it would sound like if I were to snore.
So you want me to leave you alone for about 5 minutes, and then like I'll let you fall asleep, and then I'll come back in and we'll see the improvement.
Yeah, yeah.
All right, 5 minutes. I can't tell if he's really snoring or not. How do you feel?
I feel like I wasn't snoring at all.